Uteti wa giturwa kia president ithurano-ini kia mwaka ukite uroneka kunyita thinga na muno gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya. Amwe atongoria gicigo giki makiuga matiri mararikia gwibanga na mahota gucomora kandi ikumakia andu aingi. Kumana na wingi wa kura, gicigo giki kia Mount Kenya gikoretwo ari gitumiro gia ateti na muno aria maraitira mata giturwa kia president ria githurano giukite. Umuthi gikundi kimwe gia atongoria a gicigo giki makiuga mahota gukarugamia mundu kuma gicigo-ini giki.
And we should also go for the presidency. Imambo ya kutishwa nyinyi kuje na mabili atumekaa sana. We had the same problem during Uhuru time. People came to tell me no, wacha tusimamishe huyu sasa. Nyinyi mmetawala sana. Kubwa na Mungu hupeana.
We are the heart and we believe whatever formation is made, whatever government comes to power, the Mount Kenya region should continue playing a central role. Governor
wa kaunti ya Nyandarua Francis Kimemia augite hari bata muingi wa gicigo giki gucokanirire gukwa kiagithia kiene njatukano irirambia kwiyumiria gatagati ga kaunti iria ciombite gicigo giki.
Tuache mambo ya Mount Kenya East na Mount Kenya West. It will not help us. Let me tell you, it will not help us. Let's keep our votes as one block.
Speaker wa bunge nene ya bururi Justin Muturi noria umage ikaro-ini kia umuthi ni augire ni hariirie gutwarithia na mbere haria President Uhuru Kenyatta agatigira niguo arunge mamwe ma maundu maria matokoretwo magithie wega utongori-ini wa bururi.
I have declared that I will be in the ballot for presidential elections in 2022.
100 flowers blossom. We shall pick the best. So we are encouraging Muturi. Indeed, we have done our mathematics. We have looked at the leadership, especially from the Kenya region, and we are supporting you.
Atongoria a kaunti cia Meru, Tharaka Nithi o ũndũ na kaunti ya Embu makoretwo magicokanirira Kiraitu akiendekithia Muturi agakorwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari kwarĩrĩria muingi wa kaunti ici na iria ikoragwo Mount Kenya ya irathiro mĩario-ini yo yothe ya kiuteti iria igukorwo igiuka thutha-ini.
The fact that you are able to manage a house with so many factions there, we also think you can manage our differences, within our Mount Kenya region.
Nake gavana wa kaunti ya Naikuru Likinyanjui ni augite ni uhoro wa kiha kuno ng'ethanĩri ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere kwĩyumĩria kũrĩa arutĩte mũkana kũrĩa ateti arĩa megũthiĩ gũcogera ngũĩ kaunti-inĩ ĩno.
For Nakuru, our number one priority will be peace, and we will work together with all the leaders to make sure that everybody has an opportunity to come and campaign, say what you have done, and eventually let the people decide.